Grammar is following me. Yes, friends, grammar is following me. Have you ever tried to run away from grammar? If you tried, then still grammar following you. Why? Because grammar is a necessary part of English, part of communication skills, part of spoken English. That's why you feel like grammar following me. But in my case, yeah, grammar following me too. And first of all, hello everyone, welcome to my another video. And in that video I want to share with you everything why grammar following you and why grammar following me too, because we are Hindi medium student and we always think about only focus in speaking, only focus on speaking, and it's not the correct way to speak. If you are focusing your grammar and only your vocabulary, then grammar makes your sentences correctly, then grammar makes your sentence properly, then that sound when you speak, that sounds become a more natural and confident. That's why grammar following you. But still remember, grammar it's not just like a your enemy. Grammar it's a your teacher, and grammar told you every time when you made mistakes. Grammar told you you are made mistakes, stop, speak correctly. So that's the main reason. Grammar it's not your enemy, grammar it's your friend, and you should be a good friend with grammar. If you good with your friend like a grammar, then you will speak correctly. Okay, so learn grammar, it's not like any problem. It's a your part of life, it's a part of communication, it's a part of English communication. That is why, and genuinely I feel many learners, they afraid of grammar rules. They feel like it's a boring type of subject, it's a boring subject, it's a boring topic, I don't like grammar. But in my case, to be honest, when I was in school, I never tried to learn English. Even my teachers told me, you should focus on English because your English is very weak. And at that time, my English was very weak. Yes, friends, my English was very weak because it was my fault. I didn't focus in English. I just focused only Hindi and other subject. That's why I was a very weak in my school. But later I understood something important. Grammar it's a very necessary for speaking. This is the communication part. So we must have to learn grammar, only grammar, because when you speak with grammar, with perfect sentence, with perfect structure, then your sentence become a perfect, natural, and more confident. Like when I was in school, I speak like I speaks English. It is correct or not correct? It is not correct. It's a totally wrong. So at that time, I didn't know how to speak English. That's why my grammar and my English was so weak. But later I started to learn English. Then I found the why important grammar rules, why we should learn grammar rules, and why we think grammar is following me. So it's a not following you, it's a teaching you. Grammar it's a teacher. Grammar can correct your mistake, grammar can correct your sentence, grammar can correct your uh, topic. Okay, any topic anywhere, when you try to speak, if you speak with perfect grammar, then that will help you to get more confident. Okay, that's why grammar it's not just like a following you, not your enemy, it's a your good friend. So you should become a good friend with grammar. Okay, and always face like a I am a your friend. If you are grammar, then I am your friend, and we can become a good friend in our own, in our English journey. Yes, and you should learn English words with grammar and make with grammar and with grammar structures. So this is the beautiful life, this is the beautiful journey. So friends, just think about, this is the two friends. Now this is my finger, but this is the two friends, Ram and Sam. And Ram is very good for vocabulary and Sam is very good for English grammar. And if both are become a good friend, then they will become a good teacher for each other. Why? Because they have a lot of vocabulary and they have many rules. Okay, so if they become a good friend, then they will transfer their knowledge, they will transfer their communication skill, spoken skill, everything, their knowledge they will transfer. But they have They must have to become a good friend for each other and become a good friend for transferring their knowledge. Then after some day, after following month by month and step by step, they will become a good for speaking. So that's why you should become a good friend with grammar. Like this is you and this is the grammar. So you should become a good friend, and after some day, after step by step, when you follow step by step, then you will know everything. Because this grammar teach you everything which this have, every rule, everything's okay. Then you can speak perfectly, and grammar it's not your enemy. I'll again speak, but this is the necessary, okay, this is the necessary part of English, this is the important part of English, okay. So that's why you should take like these types of efforts. If you take these efforts, then you can speak more confidently. And because speaking, it's not just about speak fluently, speak with perfect structure, speak with perfect grammar rules, speak with perfect sentence, phrase, idiom and words. Then your body, your expression and your sounds become a more natural and more confident. That is the power of grammar. And again, grammar is following you, but still remember, success is following you too. That's why if you think like this, grammar is my enemy, no, grammar is your teacher, it's your beautiful friend, it's your good friend. But you have to become a good friend with that, okay. I hope you understand, because genuinely people feel how I can be a good friend with grammar. I don't know grammar, I don't know much grammar rules, how to use is, am and ing, how to use have been, since, for, like this type of structure, this type of rules I don't know. So you should try to jump only step by step, not jump directly to uh, run away, okay. You should only forward step by step, because this is the uh, process, this is the process, and this process take will time to improve. So it's not necessary just go and run away from this, no, just follow step by step. Then after just passing the day, you will become a fluent. So I hope you understand. So friends, now I am going to, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And tell me in comments, does grammar following you? Then please make one sentence, okay. After checking, I will give you my response. So bye bye.